I don't know if it's Filipino food, but we're going to eat lunch, and we got some fried. I fry some pork chop, eggplant, scrambled egg, big tomatoes, guys, and rice. So first, it's soft, of course, juicy, salty, but not too salty. I marinated this pork chop with soy sauce, dried oregano, a little, yeah, tomatoes, and soy sauce, and then rice. Ooh. Our scrambled egg, onion, guys, and then we're going to put some tomatoes and soy sauce. So perfect. That's right. Ah! Is there's anyone here eating like a weird food, dried fish with ketchup, something like that, or are you guys eating the French fries first before your burger, something like that? I don't know, just come to my mind. It's weird. I'm almost done anyway. But guys, please don't forget to like and comment. You know, if there's something in your mind, suggestion, something like that. And guys, please share. I'm gonna finish this. I'm almost done anyway. So thank you guys. See you on my next video. Love you. Bye bye.